Okay, so it's New Year's Eve. It's 11:44 a.m. and I need to get my life back together before 2019 because I am not going into 2019 with a messy mind. Because you know what they say, messy room, messy mind. Actually, that doesn't look too messy. But I have a lot of decluttering to do. So basically, I just found this because I was gonna do like a January spread in my bullet journal, and I saw that I made this. Can't read it, but it just says get your shit together before 2019, and it's a checklist that looks like it's gonna take days to do, but I only have 12 hours, maybe even less than. Okay, let's just like ignore my messy handwriting, but yeah, there's a lot to do. So tidy room, declutter makeup, declutter desk, declutter unit, declutter chest of drawers, declutter plastic drawers, hoover, empty bin, declutter bedside, declutter DVDs, change bedding, bring dishes down, skincare and face mask, wash hair, make a vision board, print applications, sign up to the gym, and remove acrylic nails, which I've already started. I started picking them off, which I know you're not meant to do, but it's kind of satisfying, not gonna lie. But it's also really painful, so I wouldn't recommend. I've decided to start with my bed because I remember watching Lavendare's video on how to clean your room. No, Hermione Chantal's video on how to clean your room, and she always says to start with your bed, so I'm gonna try and do that. I haven't changed my bedding since October, which was 2 months ago, so that's actually like really disgusting. I don't know how I lived with myself. So I don't know how I feel about this bedding. It was either this or some mandala things that I got from Primark. But the problem with this is that it doesn't go well with the leaf. So I might have to take that down. That just looks like a piece of shit. Okay, that just looks so sad now. Yeah, that is just not it. Okay, so that looks so much better. I even put some on the mirror, but that space is like so blank. It's kind of annoying. I tried to do something different, but room makeover. This one thing calls it a room makeover. I just realized that I have to edit this before 2019, and no one knows this, but it takes me like days, sometimes even weeks to edit my videos, which is why I never upload. And once I'm actually done editing it, sometimes I decide that I don't like it and completely scrap the thing, which isn't very good. I need to stop doing that. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do first is declutter my clothes, because that's definitely like the thing that I have the most of. Let's see if I can actually get rid of some stuff. And this is how it looks like now. It may not be the KonMari method, but I find this to be more organized. So I have my blue jeans, my black jeans, my tracksuit joggers, my trousers, and my cargos, and then obviously my skirts. Okay, now let's move on to the second drawer, which is full of sweaters that I never even wear. Drawer is now full of gym wear and sweaters that I'd actually wear outside and jumpers that I'd actually wear outside. And as you can see, I have space to buy some more. Get me a like pretty little thing. And then, okay, wow, this isn't working out, but whatever. This drawer is just my pajamas. So we have long sleeves, all my short sleeves, all my bottoms, and then my hoodies. I decluttered my chest of drawers. It doesn't even say to declutter the wardrobe. Let me add that. Wow, my handwriting's atrocious. I'm so sorry. Check. So I have the first plastic box full of clothes that I've been meaning to sell, but I just haven't taken pictures of any, and I honestly don't think some of these will sell. Okay, let's do this. Okay guys, so this is the second, oh my god, it's so heavy, donation pile, and I feel like it's even bigger than the first one.
Ow, ow, my nails. Ow. Oh.
We got some more. After this, there's only one more. What time is it? It's only 2:30. I want to get this done by 3. I am gonna get this done by 3. This is it. The last one. Did it. We went through 3 of those damn boxes. Okay, now time to make them all fit in one box. Did it? It fits. So I have a lot of pictures to take. And yeah, don't forget to check out my Depop to cop some of this stuff. I'm gonna go through a lot of these with an iron because some of it's so crinkled. Okay, so this is definitely the biggest round of donations. I am literally donating 5 bags of clothing. So hopefully it goes out to people who need it. And if my mom does end up picking up stuff to give to my relatives, hopefully they'll like it and then they'll actually use it and give it life, you know? I think I forgot to mention this, but I finished it at 3, so... Okay, now I'm gonna tackle this pile of clothes. The post office is apparently open. I have 4 items to return. I'm gonna actually write it down and I'm gonna go. Declutter plastic drawers. I'm gonna empty the bin now, so I'm gonna take that. Okay, I literally look like I'm about to go to the airport, but like OOTD.
2 hours later.
Okay, basically it's 5:23 and I'm just gonna get on with it. That trip was useless. I still have the packages because the post office was closed, even though my friends told me that it was open. My friends are snakes and I'm leaving them in 2018. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm back. I am changed. I'm gonna tackle my 4-cube unit, which is this thing, the one with the 4 boxes. It is like 5:30 right now, and I want to get everything done by 10 p.m. No, I am gonna get everything done by 10 p.m. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my desk. So, I just decluttered my desk. I decluttered the unit. I was gonna declutter the bedside, but now that I've seen it, it's actually not that bad. So I think I'm gonna go through my DVDs now and bring some dishes down. Oh my gosh, I'm so close to actually finishing. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 6:16 p.m.
It's only 6:16. So my camera isn't cooperating with me, but this is how my DVD section looks like. There's too many stuff. I'm gonna get rid of some. You literally can't see shit, but trust me when I say that it's definitely neater than it was before. Okay, so I've just done that. So I can okay, so I can finally declutter DVDs. I forgot to bring the dishes down. I actually only have 1 dish, and that's a wine glass. Okay, that was so overexposed this whole time. But yeah, that looks so much cleaner. So I'm just gonna tidy my room until my camera dies. Okay, so I don't know when my camera died, but I hope it got the entirety of me cleaning my room. So while my camera was charging, I've accomplished a lot. So I hoovered my room, I started printing my applications, I also brought my dishes down, and I've also washed my hair. It's still a bit wet. Okay, so now I'm doing a face mask and I'm gonna do my skincare routine afterwards. The only thing that I didn't really get to do was sign up to a gym and remove my acrylics. But I can always do that next year. It's not like a priority. I'm not gonna die just by having bad nails. And I'm gonna sign up for a gym later. I'm just gonna enjoy my face mask, you know? And honestly, I'm kind of glad that I did this, even though it was like low-key stressful. Because this is the most immaculate my room has looked since ever. After doing my face mask and my skin routine, I'm gonna go downstairs and have food with mi familia. And I'm going to eat double my body weight in food. And I've even got my most oversized shirt. My skin looks so much clearer, but I am getting like a breakout, which is just not it. Okay, so I apparently forgot to film an outro last night, but who could blame me? There was baked mac and cheese and other food downstairs. Also, baked mac and cheese is the only valid kind of mac and cheese. Sorry, I don't make the rules, but I'm gonna do the outro now. So basically, I hope y'all had a good 2018, and I hope 2019 brings you happiness and joy and everything that you want in life. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, you know, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe for more.